In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily restore deleted photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app, then go to Albums, and then just scroll down to the very bottom until you find Recently Deleted. We can get into that album where we can find all the photos we have deleted within 30 days. And if we accidentally deleted some photo and we want to restore it, all we have to do is just search for that photo in Recently Deleted album, and then just open up that photo or video, and then just hit Add Recover, and then recover photo or video. In that same way, you can recover multiple photos at the same time. Just hit Add Select, then select photos or videos which you would like to recover, and then hit Add Recover button, and then recover. What that will do, that will move that photos from recently deleted albums to your main album. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.